What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I have my lip liner collection video. You might need a snack, you might need a drink, because I have so many of these and this video is going to be super long. Yeah, I just thought, I've been into lip liners lately, so I thought I will just show you all the lip liners that I do have in my collection. So without further ado, let's jump into this tray. Okay, so I've got my lip liners all laid out in front of me, and I'm going to share with you the majority of lip liners by brands, and the rest that I have like bits and bobs that I only have like one or two of, I'll just go through those as well. So first of all, the brand I have most lip liners from, take a guess what it might be. I'll give you 2 seconds. Pause this video, leave the comment down below like which brand I would have most of. Oh, there was like a sneak peek there. It's MAC. I've got a lot of MAC cosmetics. Look, I have so many MAC cosmetics lip liners. Absolutely love these. These are the traditional like wooden lip liners that are like wooden I guess material that it's made from, but I love the color selection, the range. I love how they apply. Yeah, absolutely love these. So I'll just go through and let you know the shades that I do own. Got beige Turner, Root for Me, Half Red, Soar, Chestnut, Chicory, Soar again. I've got 2 Soars, Mahogany, Cool Spice, Night Moth. I've got another Root for Me, Bricola, Spice, Whirl, Cork, Auburn, Beat, Mahogany. I've got Plum, I've got Caviar, Stone, Greige, and another Mahogany. So yeah, those are all the MAC lip liners that I own. I would sit here and swatch for you, but I know you will not watch this video because it's going to be long, and these days people are not happy with long content on the internet. They want all short videos, so that's why I've been posting a lot of shorts. And also, yeah, people have very less attention span now. Yeah, those are my MAC lip liners. So that's my biggest collection. The rest of the brands I have, I've got like 3 or 4 of each. So I'll go through those first and I'll show you the random ones. So we've got Bobbi Brown. So I like these as well. I just think they're a little bit pricey, but nevertheless, they are good lip liners. So I've got Chocolate, I've got 2 Cocos, and I have Rum Raisin. Then I've got Anastasia Beverly Hills lip liners, which have been my current obsession, to be honest. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen me like posting, you know, videos using this, but I've absolutely been loving these ones, and I want to pick up more of Anastasia lip liners because they're actually really good. So I've got 4 shades here. I've got Sandstone, I've got Chai, Malt, and Parchment. I've been using Malt a lot as like outer lip liner to like contour because it's a really nice like dark deep chocolate brown lip liner. I've also got Morphe. We've got Makeup Talk, Chippy, Bite Me, and another Chippy. So I've got some Kiko lip liners, like the Kiko Milano ones. So I've got their these are the Smart Fusion lip pencils. So I've got 32 and shade 34 on from that collection. Then I have this Kiko collection, which is Creamy Color Comfort Lip Liner, and I've got the shade 22, and I've like almost run out of that. So when I was in England, if you saw my haul, I did buy 22 again because I actually really like this color. And then I also picked up the shade number 10. I've got some Jaclyn Hill Jacqueline lip liners. So I got the shade Coming in Hot, In Control, and Coffee Cake. Toffee Cake? Coffee Cake. I've got some Essence lip liners, the 8-Hour Matte Comfort lip liners that I recently picked up. Well, when I say recently, it was like a few months ago in Europe. But I've got these shades 10, 17, and 11. Okay, so now I'm going to go through those random lip liners that I have like 1 or 2 of from each brand. So I've got the Tom Ford lip pencil in the shade 106 A-List, Rare Beauty lip liner in the shade Admired. This is the Catrice Plumping lip liner in the shade 17 Chocolate Lover. I've got packed like PAC, which I got from India. I've got 2 lip liners here. This is the Precisionist lip liners. So I got the shade Brown on Earth and Latin Lover. I've got NYX Suede Matte Lip Liner in Vintage. I've got Bare Minerals lip liner in Wired. I've got 2 Charlotte Tilbury lip liners here. I've got the shade Supersize Me, and I've also got, what is this called? This is like tiny now. Walk of No Shame. Alright, so I've got Bite Beauty. Remember, I think this got discontinued, like the whole brand, but I've got Bite Beauty lip pencil in 46. I've got W7 lip twister in Malbec, Revlon lip liner in Mauve, Misguided lip liner in Wine to 5, Colourpop lippy pencil in Bumble. Remember the time I used to have so many Colourpop lip liners, they just dried out, so I had to declutter them and get rid of them. I've got another W7 lip twister in Shiraz. I've got a Studio London Power Pout lip liner in Self Love Nude. I've got a Collection lip liner in the shade Caramel 2. I've got L'Oreal lip liner in the shade 374 Intense Plum. I've got Aveda Feed My Lips in the shade Chestnut. I've got Becca, another brand that's discontinued now. Ultimate Lip Definer in the shade Serene. I've got another Studio London lip liner in the shade Power Brown. I've got the Maybelline Lifter liner in the shade Cross the Line. I've also got Milani Statement lip liner in number 9 Spice. And finally, the lip liner that I have on my lips today, like outlined and filled in a little bit, is the Bourjois lip liner in Plum It Up. So those were all the lip liners that I have in my collection currently, and I know it's a lot. You don't need this many, but this is my job, so yeah, and I collect them. But let me show you some that I would suggest or that I use often from this collection that I have. So the ones that I reach for quite often, especially lately, is the Anastasia lip liner in Malt. So that's something I really enjoy. The Bobbi Brown lip liner in Cocoa, I love that one as well. The MAC lip liner in Spice and also Plum, I do use those a lot. The Morphe lip liner in Bite Me is something that I really use a lot of as well. The Milani one in Spice, that one's really good. The Kiko lip liner in 34, I use that a ton. You can see all of these are like sharpened and used quite well. The Charlotte Tilbury Walk of No Shame, that one as well. The other Kiko one in the shade 22, that one, and finally the Bare Minerals lip liner in Wired. I use this a ton as well. So yeah, those are the lip liners that I use and have in my collection. I'm sorry this video, I mean, it's too long, but these days even like more than like I guess 7-8 minutes seems long. It's not everybody wants to watch a long video. But if you did, thank you very much. Thanks for watching, and let me know what your favorite lip liner is. I would love to know if there's something that I'm missing. Also, keep an eye out on my social media because I do post like lip combo videos a lot of them. I always post them, so keep an eye out because you see them in action on my lips. But yeah, if you have any video suggestions, let me know, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.